Hi, my name is Susan Kamau. Tea farmers, do you know your food? True or false? Eating more legumes, pulses, fruits and vegetables will lower your energy levels, stopping you from working well.
It is false.
Asha
ndunyihagia tondu ikoragwo ina hinya thiini wa mwiri ona urite.
That's false. Those are bodybuilding foods. Instead of lowering, they will boost your energy.
Hau no kiugia kiu hau no ndegene nakio tondu kiu ta njahi kiri na hinya mboga ni nafa mwiri ni rabatara.
Actually, eating such foods is recommended, and you will soon feel a spring in your step and improvement in your health.